MG6, IP22, 2009-17. The first generation MG6 was initially announced in April 2009 at the Shanghai Auto Show, as a 5-door GT, fastback, and in October 2010 at Shanghai Expo, as a 4-door notchback saloon model. It is derived from the Rover 550, hence being distantly related to the Rover 75, sharing its front subframe. The 5-door fastback, hatchback, known as the MG6 GT, went on sale in the United Kingdom in May 2011. The saloon, known as the MG6 Magnet, went on sale on July 16, 2011. A diesel model joined the range at the end of 2012. The first tie-assembled car rolled off the assembly line on June 4, 2014, with a potential for 5,000 cars per annum. The MG6 sold below expectations in the United Kingdom, eventually being dropped from the range there in 2016, whilst continuing in other markets. Like the Rover 550, some of the development and styling of the MG6 was done at the SAIC UK Technical Centre, although the main design and development contract was given to EDIC, Shanghai. It was originally designed as a Rover-badged model, IP22 project, but, as SAIC took control of Nanjing Auto, owners of the MG brand, the nearly finished vehicle went through a facelift and came out as the first Chinese MG car. The MG6 commenced production in China in 2010, and for a brief period in partially knocked-down form at Longbridge, United Kingdom, from April 13, 2011. Since 2013, the MG3 Super Mini also undergoes some limited final assembly at the same factory until 2016. Following the hatchback 6 GT, the notchback saloon version debuted in June 2011, carrying the Magnet name, which was used by MG during the 1950s to 1960s for its saloon cars, and also in the 1930s for the MGK type. The MG6 Magnet is quite different from the MG6 GT fastback, as it has a boot rather than a hatchback. In the United Kingdom, the car was initially launched as the MG6, but on release to the public in May 2011 as the fastback model, was announced as the MG6 GT. For the MG6 GT, 3 levels of trim are available with increasing levels of equipment and trim, S, SE and TSE. These all share the same mechanical specification, although the TSE gains 18 inches wheels over the standard 17 inches. The launch models were available with the Petrol TCI Tech 1.8-liter engine, available in 2 states of tune, 133 bhp, 99 kilowatts, 135 PS, and 158 bhp, 118 kilowatts, 160 PS, with turbo, the latter being available from launch in China and as the only engine option at launch in the United Kingdom. All models are equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, front McPherson strut suspension and multi-link rear suspension. The 1.8 liters turbo can accelerate to 60 miles per hour in 8.4 seconds, has an official combined fuel consumption of 35.6 miles per gallon and a CO2 figure of 184 grams/km. Top speed is restricted to 120 miles per hour. 193 km per hour, to allow the car to be rated a lower insurance bracket. Minor improvements to the MG6 in April 2012 resulted in fuel economy figure of 37.7 miles per gallon, official combined, and reducing CO2 down to 174 grams/km. A 1.9-liter diesel DTI Tech engine joined the range at the end of 2012, producing 148 bhp, 110 kilowatts, 150 PS, and 350 Nm, 258 pounds-feet, and producing CO2 emissions of 139 grams/km. The diesel engine is mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox, and the steering has changed to an electro-hydraulic powered system. Due to the introduction and the success of the MG6 in the British Touring Car Championship, MG announced a special edition for the United Kingdom, this being the MG6 BTCC Special Edition. The BTCC Special Edition was based on the same model. It came with a matte black roof, vinyl wrap, matte black 18-inch MG6 TSC alloy wheels, black gloss sills, black gloss door mirror covers, black gloss lower front air dam and rear spoiler. The front grille has a BTCC badge and a distinctive multicolored MGKX Momentum Racing Team decal is on the bonnet extension panel above the front grille, on the fastback boot lid and on the front doors and wings just behind the chrome wing vent. The BTCC Special Edition was only available in Union Blue or Arctic White. BTCC Edition graphics are also highlighted on the sills and also inside the car on the passenger fascia. In July 2014, the diesel engine was updated, reducing its CO2 emissions to 129 grams/km. The MG6 was facelifted for April 2015, receiving a range of exterior and interior changes including a 75 kilograms, 165 pounds, reduction in weight. It was unveiled at the Chengdu Motor Show in August 2014. In the United Kingdom, the main mechanical changes comprised an improvement in efficiency for the diesel model, and the withdrawal of the petrol version. The facelifted model can be identified by its new lights and bumpers, front and rear, and a substantially updated interior, including a new console and electronic parking brake. Models in other markets retain two versions of the 1.8-liter petrol engine.